See me in the skivvies.
Yeah, skippies.
Yeah, I'm white. I'm white.
You ain't in our living room. You are out here in our park. This is where we do things at. This is dope. So look, we got that Christy. Come to Vista's house. He shows how to get things done. He brings the fireplace out.
It was the weekend after Thanksgiving. All through the creature was flying.
But we heard right.
That's why I use that water lock.
Float. I'm trying to get it. There's a. I feel like there's a little bit of current here. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go in.
There we go.
I say you better, cause I'm getting ready to walk in that bitch if you don't.
That's what I'm talking
I'm serious.
Yo, go start the car, get the heat going.
Get this motherfucker.
You got the heat going?
Nigga, it's 2 feet of water. Get
You
in
got
there.
the heat. Dude, 2 feet. I'm gonna be up to here.
No, you're not.
Start the car.
Yeah. I want to film this. I want to film this.
I am, but just get the car started with the heat.
Doc, start my car for me. The keys on the console.
Crank the heat up, please.
He's getting ready to go in. FPV noob tube.
God, it's so cold.
Come on, Squish would plop his feet all through that water. Your cock is gone, ain't it?
This fucking guy loose.
Soldier up, son. Get your quad back. Fuck yeah. Unplug it underwater. Unplug it underwater. Unplug it underwater. There you go. Yeah. No quad left behind right there. Woo, woo, woo.
Yo, grab myself, bro.